More than 550 crashes across the GTA. Many of the crashes were single vehicle collisions. Drivers losing control, ending up in ditches and going into concrete walls.
It's freezing rain almost everywhere. The ground is actually completely covered in ice. Look at this, I'm walking in wet snow. It's raining and snowing at the exact same time. The weather is awful.
The city had to call in more resources than initially anticipated. And even then, some say that wasn't enough.
Oh man. Okay, I think I might change my mind.
What do you mean?
No, okay, no, let's go to A.
Just drag me out of here.
Let's go to A&W. I need company. I can't do this alone.
I don't want to be here.
3 days ago, 11 degrees.
Explain this fuck shit, man. Water supply's running low. Food supply completely fucking empty, man.
It's a long journey.
Long fucking journey. Oh,
he's back.
I'm with your broad or not, I'm taking the phone, denying your calls.
He's back. He's back.
That's hilarious.
This guy is getting around quick.
That guy fucks. That guy fucks for sure.
The tree just broke apart. How do we get through? I clean my camera off.
Not only would I like to thank God, but to Jesus.
I like this second A&W commercial in the background.
Same great taste, even faster. A&W drive-thru.
So we've graduated from ice to just dense, heavy, wet snow. It's like it's snowing and then it's kind of raining at the exact same time, so there's a thin layer of ice on top of the snow and it's extremely slushy and heavy. My neighbor is actually stuck in the driveway. But what is happening in this country? What is going on? It's April.
This is ridiculous. Isn't it like April?
I know. I can barely see you.
I think it's time for another vacation. How much is it? $471. Ooh, $366.